Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will present today about mining pollution in water. My name Dede Mahendra, kelas KP 2020, name 230 23 40 60. 1. If first was stated from the mining process or is mineralization rock containing unvalued metal sucks and gold of copper or other mineral substance sucks and coal upon pit mining overflies the extension or lack quantities of was the rock material not containing the target mineral in order to extract the desired mineral ore. The ore is then crushed into finely ground tailing for processing with various chemical and separating processes to extract the final product. In Canada, on average, for every ton of copper extracted, 99 tons of waste, waste material went up of soil, waste rock, and finally ground tailing mass as low types of water pollution from mining. 1. Acid mine drainage. 2. Heavy metal contamination and lacing. 3. Processing chemical pollution. 4. Erosion and sedimentation. 5. Cyanide. 6. Acid drainage. 2. Acid mine drainage. Acid rock drainage atau IRD is a natural process where sulfuric acid is processed when sulfide in rock are exposed to air and water. Acid mine drainage (IMD) is essentially the same process, greatly magnified when large quantities of rock containing sulfide minerals are extracted from an open pit or open net up in underground mine. It reacts with water and oxygen to create sulfuric acid. When the water reacts a certain level of acidity and naturally occurring type of bacteria and bacteria called Tobacillus peroxidans makes kick in acceleration in the oxidation and oxidification process, releasing even more triple metal from the wastes. The acid will leach from the rocks as long as its source rock is exposed to air and water and until the sulfate are leached out and process that can last hundred even thousand of years as in carried of the managed by rainwater or surface drainage and deposit into nearby stream, rivers, lakes, and groundwater. IMD severely degrades water quality and can kill aquatic life and make water virtually unsellable. Heavy metal contamination and lacing. Heavy metal pollution is caused with such metal as arsenic, cobalt, copper, cadmium, lead, silver, and zinc contained in excavated or exposed in an underground mine come in contact with water. Metal are leached out and carried downstream as water washes off the rock surface. Although metal can become mobile in naturally pH conditions, leaching is particularly accelerated in the low pH conditions such as are created by acid mine drainage. Process, processing chemical pollution. This kind of pollution occurs with chemical such as cyanide of sulfuric acid should be mining combines to separate the target mineral from the ore. Spill like or leach from the mining site into nearby water body. This chemical can be highly toxic to human and wildlife. Erosion and sedimentation. Mineral development disturb soil and rock in the course of construction and maintaining road, open pit and washed open mix in the absence and of adequate prevention and control strategies. Erosion of the exposed earth may carry substantial amine of sediment into streams, rivers and lakes. Excessive sediment can clog river beach and smoother water, seed vegetation, wildlife habitat, and aquatic organisms. Cyanide salt and with daily acid to extract gold from finely crushed ore because the combined with about 97% of the element gold typical to NaCN solution is made of heaps of ore and the liquid extract is collected. Of course, a great deal of the toxic cyanide salt remain of the mineral particle and is washed into ground and surface water in the rain. For AU plus NaCN plus UU plus UH UOO for NaIUCN 2 plus 4 NaOH as the gold has been extracted seen is as the recovered solid gold from solution as acid drainage subsurface mining frequently goes below the water table so water must be constantly pumped from the mining as acid mine drainage results from the outflow of water from metal mines, coal mines, or other area which the ground has been disturbed. Metal salts such as Fa plus 2 are oxidized upon contact with air to more highly acidic aqueous phase. Sulfur containing molecule are oxidized to sulfur acid. Certain bacteria called acidophilus promoted the oxidation or iron sulfate in the presence of oxygen and water. Various methods of or as the remove pollution from mining effluent include one naturalizing bases such as an NaHCO3 moderate to the acidity of acid mine drainage to biology treatment. Bacteria cannot take up heavy metal and concentrate them in slug. For fermentation, microorganisms plants can take up organic compound and oxidize some the gas to carbon dioxide. 3. Chemical oxidation of cyanide produce carbon dioxide and ammonia. Oxidation highly soluble arsenic salts produce the less salt as materials. For co-precipitation, trace metals are effectively removed from mining effluent. For addition, for ferric salt, through calcium arsenate is removed as either calcium for ferric arsenate. Solution: prevent future loss of aquatic habitat to acid drainage, to inventory and clean up excitation acid generation sites. 3. Improve public access to information on monitoring and enforcement of MD treatment and reclamation. And 4. Prevent future IMD by improving for environmental risk assessment and adopting a liability prevention approach for future IMD assessment. Conclusion: mining activities that are environmentally friendly are mature solution that can be an extraordinary breakthrough because mining products are a component that is only less important than water. This bibliography. Thank you.